国之声特别特别策划，我在他乡挺好的，藏在乡愁里的守望。
What's interesting in the propagation of this time of year, as we're slowly going towards February and then getting close to the March equinox, is that we'll get more of these. But it's interesting to note the different jammers used by China to, of course, jam other types of broadcasts. So 13130 is technically a station from Taiwan that is called the Sound of Hope, and they have multiple frequencies they use to broadcast towards China. And of course, all of these are targeted by what we call the CNR1 jammers. So for 99% of the people out there, when you hear one of those and you see Sound of Hope, don't get your hopes up, because the majority of the time what you're actually hearing is a big 500 kilowatt jammer. Sound of Hope is very weak, very rarely heard outside of its target area. It's not impossible, but it is something that you need to be careful when you actually log stations. So 13130 is, if you look at a lot of the lists of Sound of Hope, Taiwan, no, this is CNR1 jamming from China, actually. Let's compare this Chinese reception with Tecsun H-501. Here's the, it's a little harsher maybe because of the fast propagation changes. And you might say, well, it was much better in the FTdx10 where it seemed more stable. Well, this is the action of the automatic gain control. This is why a radio like this should have an EGC that's selectable, like slow or fast. It would definitely help these receivers. But still, you get a decent reception of the CNR1 jammer on this odd frequency of 13130, completely outside of any international broadcast bands.